Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Okay, got a damaged roller catch here, and these usually come in like a package of 25. Sometimes you can find them by themselves. I'll try to put a link in the description below. They're not too expensive. And they're fairly easy to change out. Now, a lot of times these are set. Sometimes you're better off using the screws that were in the old one, as sometimes the new screws are smaller or whatnot. So sometimes you get away with it more by using the existing screws. Obviously, they were working before. And these have a slotted opening so that you can adjust the roller catch so it sits more forward or more backwards. So you can slide it. You can, put your two screws in. Don't tighten them down all the way. Move the whole thing where you want it to seat, and then tighten the screws down to get your adjustment. On this particular one, I didn't need to change the catch portion. I just needed to change the roller portion. A lot of these are kind of universal, so that they will, work with as long as it's the same size. It comes with the little catch portion, so if you need to, you can replace it. And sometimes you'll need to adjust the tension of how strong the catch portion clasps onto the roller catch. You could do that either by spreading it apart a little bit or squeezing them together a little bit. If they're old ones, you kind of want to be gentle when you do it, because they can break pretty easy if they're brittle. But here I'm just using the old screws to reset it. It's a nice easy one. It's pretty simple. Probably the most useful part of this video will just be the link in the description below to find these, because sometimes they're not that easy to find. Installing them, there's really not that much to it, but I figured it's worth a video just so you can find the parts if that's what you needed, and if you didn't exactly know the things involved, the steps involved. Hopefully this helps with that too. There's my new roller catch. Trying it with the existing one, and actually lined up just right, clipped on. It's a little strong, so I just kind of spread one side a little bit. Again, being careful not to, push it too hard, but that's it. Nice, easy adjustment, easy install. If you needed to line up your new one, you could just leave the catch in place and then position the door over to it and just mark both sides, install it, no big deal. It's usually just one screw that holds it in place, right in the center.
Standing on the edge of death and life, standing in between wrong and right. Light shines down, bring truth. Us will fall. Darkest day to light. Pain give way to eternity. Just a test.